tonight's finale. Bring on the fireworks. Now, before we can have a fireworks, we always have to have a countdown. Can you please help with the countdown tonight? Let's begin in 1 minute from now. 50 seconds.
1 minute from now, 50 seconds.
45.
Oh, it's the fastest clock ever.
Count it down. Fireworks in 30 seconds. Who wants to see some fireworks? All right, so for the 20 seconds.
The longest 20 seconds ever.
We're going to count it down, starting at 10,
count down for? There's nothing starting.
And here we go. Hold your ears, folks. It's showtime.
That's awesome. I love the music.
I'm in Miami, play all day, play all night, let's get it poppin'. I'm in Miami, get your hands up. I'm in Miami, put that hands up. I'm in Miami, get your hands up. I'm in Miami.